Dialogue. The jacket in the window. I like to buy this jacket in the window. Well, there are 3 jackets together in the window. Do you want the one with the feather color? No, the other one, the nether one. The one with the zipper? No, not that one either. That one over there. The one that's on sale. Oh, that's one. Now here's another jacket that I think you like, but this one is more expensive than the one in the window. It's a better jacket than the other one. The nether is smoother. I'd rather get the one in the window though. I think that one is better for cold weather. Well, fine, that's the one you want, but we don't take anything out of the window until 3 o'clock on Thursday.